to the material session of Pulsar's Career Point. This is a video for the student of class 12 on Unit 8. The name of the unit is Organic Compounds Containing Carbon and Carbon. This is the first chapter of the unit, namely Aldehydes and Ketones. This is the first part video of this unit, covering the topics Introduction and Isomerism in Aldehyde and Ketone. What are aldehydes or ketones? Both the classes of organic compounds contain the same functional group, that is carbonyl carbon. If the carbonyl carbon contains at least one hydrogen atom, then it is called an aldehyde. The carbonyl carbon रो दुईटी बॉन्ड भितर गोटे को हाइड्रोजन लागिथिबो हमें ताको aldehyde बोली कहिबा. ए दुईटी जाक हाइड्रोजन ला, that is a special aldehyde, that is formaldehyde, whose IUPAC name is methanol. If the carbonyl carbon does not have any hydrogen atom and is attached to two alkyl groups, then it is called ketone. So carbon carbon रो बाकी थिबा दुईटी बॉन्ड भितर यदि दुईटी जाक एच हुए ए गोटे स्पेशल aldehyde known as formaldehyde. यदि गोटे alkyl गोटे एच हुए ताले से गोटे जनरल aldehyde आ दुईटी जाक alkyl ले सी होचे ketone. Even another book, isomerism in aldehydes and ketones. Before going to isomerism, we must have to know what do we mean by isomerism. Isomerism is a phenomenon by which a same molecular formula can represent two or more compounds which differ in their physical and chemical properties. Even another book, chain isomerism. What do we mean by chain isomerism? When the same molecular formula represents two or more compounds which differ in their carbon chain, then such compounds are called chain isomers, and the phenomenon is called chain isomerism. Let us consider a molecular formula C4H8O. This can be represented as CH3, CH2, CH2, CHO. चारोटी कार्बन एटम अच्छी 3 2 5 2 7 8 हाइड्रोजन एटम अच्छी और गोटे ऑक्सीजन एटम अच्छी. From the structure it has been concluded it is an aldehyde and its name is butanol. This molecular formula can also be represented as follows: C3CH, to which another C3 attached and in turn attached to CHO2. Here the state chain contain 3 carbon atoms. One side chain methyl is attached to second carbon atom, so its name is 2-methyl propanol. समान molecular formula C4H8O किंतु हमको दुईटा स्ट्रक्चर देला, गोटे ब्यूटानल आ गोटे 2-methyl propanol. एमाने डिफर होचंती कार्बन चेन रे, जनक चेन रे 4टी कार्बन एटम थिला बेले 2-methyl propanol लो स्टेट चेन रे 3टी कार्बन एटम अछि. These are the chain isomers and the phenomenon is chain isomerism. Let us consider another example. Let us consider the molecular formula C5H10O. It can be represented as follows: CH3CO, CH2, CH2, CH3. It is a ketone and the carbonyl carbon is present at second position. So it contains 5 carbon atom. So pentene 2ONe is its IUPAC name. This also can be represented in another way also: C3CO, CH3, CH3. Here the main chain contains only 4 carbon atoms. 1 carbon atom comes in side chain and is present at the third position. 3-methyl butane 2ONe. It is IUPAC name. There are different structures written for the same molecular formula C5H10O. Let's compare position isomerism. What do you mean by position isomerism? When the same molecular formula represents 2 or more compounds which differ in the position of side chain, multiple bond or functional, then such compounds are called position isomers and the phenomenon is called position isomerism. Let us consider the molecular formula C5H10O. It can contain the ketonic group at second position, or it may also contain the ketonic group at third position. Thus, pentene 2ONe and pentene 3ONe are the 2 different position isomers for the molecular formula C5H10O. Let us consider another example. C7H6O2. It can it is a substitute of benzaldehyde. One OH group is attached to benzaldehyde. The OH group can be attached to ortho position as in the first figure, and it is known as orthohydroxybenzaldehyde. It may be attached to meta position where it is known as metahydroxybenzaldehyde. It may attach to para position where it is known as parahydroxybenzaldehyde. Now come for functional isomerism. What do you mean by functional isomerism? When same molecular formula represent two or more compounds which differ in their functional group, then such compounds are called functional isomerism. Let us consider the molecular formula C3H6O. It can be an aldehyde C3CH2CHO, whose IUPAC name is propanol. It can also be a ketone C3COC3, where it is known as propanol. So same molecular formula, but represent two different compounds, propanol and propanol, which differ in their functional group. There is aldehyde and ketone. Thus, these are the functional isomers of C3H6O. Metamerism. What do you mean by metamerism? When same molecular formula represent two or more compounds which differ in the nature of alkyl group on both sides of function, then such compounds are called metamers, and the phenomenon is called metamerism. Let us consider the molecular formula C5H10O. Here, the carbon is present at the third position. In its IUPAC name is pentane 3-ONE. Here, both sides of the functional group CO is occupied by two ethyl group. Left रे भी गोटे ethyl group अच्छी, right रे गोटे ethyl group अच्छी. Let us consider another formula, that is C3COCH2CH2. It also the structure of molecular formula C5H10, which is also a ketone known as pentane 2-ONE. Here, on left hand side of the carbon methyl group is there, on right hand side propyl group is there. Thus, in these two structures, the nature of alkyl group differ. जनक पाखे दुई पटे इथाइल ग्रुप थिला परे जनक पाखे गोटे पटे मिथाइल अन्य पटे प्रोपाइल ग्रुप टे अछि. These are the metamers for the formula C5H10. Thanks for watching Bhopal Sir's Career Point. Please like and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel if you are watching it for the first time. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to get timely updatation of my new video.